Right, this is my drill press. It is a no brand one, so no idea what make it is or what model, to be honest, except this one. Guess, well, your guess is as good as mine about what brand it is. I have gotten good use out of this, and it runs pretty true. It doesn't wobble or anything, doesn't make all too much noise, but I've gotten tired of the drill chuck. It's a pretty big one, it's a 16mm one, and I want to change it out because it is actually a bit tiring to every time have to grab your key and then unscrew it. Yeah, I put that there exactly for that reason. So we actually want to change this out. Now I don't know if I can order a new one with the information that I got over here. So I'm actually going to take some measurements of the drill chuck itself. And to do that, you actually need only one tool that should have come with your drill press. Looks a bit like this, like a teardrop. And what you do is you grab your handle, you lower this. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me. And then you should see that there is a slot. And you have the end of the drill head. You just insert the key. I'm just going to let it rest there for a second. You lower it again because I had to grab my hammer. Then just give it a little tap. There we go. I didn't use that much force, to be honest. You might have heard a few whacks, but they were pretty soft. So this looks like a, what is it, a B2 taper maybe. And to be honest, I think I'm just going to take the drill head with me upstairs along with the calipers to measure them, then just Google the rest of it. To reinstall, it's actually almost equally simple. You just grab your drill chuck, put it in the hole, and then you use the handles to just lower it a little bit until it's pretty much fastened, or you could also hold it in place and just give it a little tap with the wooden hammer. That can't hurt, and it should be set after that. So yeah, that's how you change the drill chuck, or at least remove it. I'll see you guys back in a bit after I ordered a new one. Thanks for watching.